A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down. Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter. And to realize that.
Hi YouTube family, how y'all doing? As you can see, got a lot of groceries going on and some other little things that we'll get to over there. So I just wanted to show y'all what I picked up today. This is all from Giant Eagle. For those who live in the Pennsylvania area, you know what it is. This is, let's see what I got. I got two things of sliced cheese. Gotta have cheese. Eggs. I'm lazy, so I got fruit already cut up with the cheese. Delicious. For the hubby, shrimp. And my oldest wayward child, because she likes shrimp too. This is tempura, and the other one is coconut. Then I got two, because they were on sale, of the Yolk Crunch. Kids like this, good for the hubby. Also on sale is why there's 5 of them. French bread, what is this? Triple meat, delicious. Of course, you know this is for kids. Oreo handy snacks, cookie sticks. It looked interesting. Picked it up, see if they wanted it. 2 loaves of bread. Jiffy peanut butter, none better. 2 things of Schmuckers grape jelly. The bombest bread in the world. Brioche. Delicious. That's really for the grown-ups, but kids eat it too. Of course, 2% milk. And then the Lactaid for those lactose intolerant people in my house who can't be without it. 6 things of Yoplait yogurt. This is good for me. Beef and cheese and bacon hamburger patties. These, I believe they're already cooked. Yeah, you can microwave them or grill them. I usually put mine in the oven. They taste better that way. I got 9 things of salad in a bowl. Now I have embarked on a brand new journey. Weight loss! So we got chef salad. We got chicken Caesar. And turkey and bacon Cobb. Now this is actually really good. And I'm not a big turkey eater. I don't really like chicken, but I'll eat it that way. Lunchables for the kiddos. We all know what this is. More Lunchables for the kiddos. And of course, a plethora of lunch meat. We got a little ham, we got a little turkey, we got a little chicken, got some hard salami, got some pepperoni. We also picked up 2 cases of water for the little people because they need those 2 cases of water. And the Mountain Dew for the little people because, of course, why they could not have my Pepsi. I don't understand it. It just hurt my feelings because I drink Pepsi. I also went to Marshall's, and this is what I picked up from Marshall's. As some of y'all may know, I do like Rae Dunn. Since I started watching some of my YouTube mamas, I was like, I just like the design of the Rae Dunn, so I just buy it when I can get it. And I happened to see this. It's just a container. It says jelly beans. This one I think was $19.99 or $14.99. I found this in the clearance rack, so I'm gonna put this on my desk. Isn't that cute? It was in clearance. It was $8. Can't beat that with a spoon. Then I found me a cookie jar. Isn't that just the cutest? I think this one was $14.99. It opens and it has the little seal on it. So, seal that. And I found me a little wallet. Like I told y'all, I'm embarking on a new journey, so I had to buy some new things. And then I got me another one of these. This one says, good morning. I have another one that says, but first coffee. Insulated mugs. And a soap dispenser. I'm gonna try this again. Because I tried it once before, but the nozzle kept getting stuck. So we'll try that again. Now all these are from TJ Maxx. Again, my Rae Dunn. But isn't that just the cutest little bag? It says goodies. I wanted the one that said Mama Bear, but they didn't have no price tag on it. So, and I was like, I don't feel like waiting for y'all to find that. And these 2 little clear bags. I mean, I guess you could use them for whatever. They're called unicorn pouches. But I'm going to use them for holding all my stickers and my pens and stuff inside my purse. And it was only $3.99. And then I found these gel pens. Because I like to write in different colors. That's just me. I already have a set of gel coloring pencils. Because I do color in an adult coloring book. But I figured I'd try these just for writing. And they said they're supposed to be comfortable. And these were, they were $7.99 from TJ Maxx. And then I found this nice little organizer that I'm going to put on my desk to hold my papers. It says good vibes only. And it's another rate on this one. I think it's $14.99. Nope, it was $12.99. But I'm gonna put this on my desk. You know, slide your papers and stuff in there to hold them together. Then I also had an order from Amazon because, of course, you guys know I got my refrigerator. So now I got to get my storage game together. So I got a whole bunch of storage containers. These ones I'm going to use for my drinks. And then there's these. And they all say that they're supposed to be stackable somehow. But we're going to see if they really are stackable. All right, let's get it.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call, wanna give you my heart. So I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. Wanna give you my heart, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now.
I need a girl that can ride for me. Wanna lock down and shine with me. Don't you know you don't have to try with me? Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know, ain't nobody stopping us. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
Lunes, no más, te digo cada vez que pasa. Quizás no quieres algo más, no estoy. Será que fue un sueño pero desperté. No sé qué somos. Hey baby, dime qué somos, porque siempre andamos solos. Nunca en tu barrio ni el vecindario saben tú y yo qué somos. Hey baby, dime qué somos, porque siempre andamos solos. Solamente dime si es un vacile, al menos sé que somos. Me estoy a para buscar esa respuesta. Muchos lo preguntan pero no contestas. Ya no sé lo que yo soy para ti. Y eso es algo que a mí sí me molesta. Cambia la actitud como quieras, no sé, pero ya no aguanto este juego otra vez. Si es que tú me quieres, hoy lo quiero ver. Ponme tu perfil y di que eres mi mujer. No sé qué somos. Si más que amigos estamos bien. Si no, pues dime que yo me bajo ahora de este tren. No sé qué somos. Si más que amigos estamos bien. Si no, pues dime que yo me bajo ahora de este tren. ¿Qué somos? Porque siempre andamos solos. Nunca en tu barrio ni el vecindario saben que somos, que somos, que somos. Baby, dime que somos, porque siempre andamos solos. Solamente dime si es un vacile, al menos sé que somos. Entre tanto blanco y negro en TV color, muy ingenuo sí que fui. Dicen la dicha viene con dolor, pero dicha es lo que yo menos sentí. Así se da si la realidad nos contradice lo que ellos dicen. No sé qué somos. Si más que amigos estamos bien. Si no, pues dime que yo me bajo ahora de este tren. No sé